Hey everybody, this is Jock Wakefield with another video, and what I want to talk to y'all today about is an unbelievable free legit opportunity that anybody can make a lot of money from, but they're gonna have to put the work in to do it, but it can be done. All you gotta do is you used to could just have to download the app for this on an Android or Apple iPhone or whatnot, but now they got it where you can do it from your laptop, desktop, or any online web browser. All you got to do is complete surveys, but the real bread and butter is download apps and sharing it with friends. Now, on your first three referrals, you're only going to get 25% of your referrals points. But after, or let me just say, from four referrals on up, you're going to receive 50% of all your downlines points for life. I don't know about you, but that's real huge. But like I say, you just complete surveys, download apps every day, and get your link out there as much as possible. Surveys, hammer away at that too, but download apps and sharing it with friends and getting your link out there as much as possible. The rest, where the real money is. You can shoot YouTube videos. You can share on Twitter. You can share on Facebook. You can share with email. You see right there? Earn up to 50% of your points or your friends' points. And like I told you, like first three referrals, 25%. But from referral 4 on up, you'll be earning 50% of all your referrals points. That's like super huge. Okay, about the money, about your rewards. You can either get gift cards, App Store, Amazon, Google Play, Starbucks, Xbox, Steam. You see all the different Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Target, Best Buy, Nintendo, League of Legends, Bath and Body Works, Sephora. And if you want that money, you can receive anywhere from $1 to $1,000 in PayPal. Yes, that is really true and really real. Now, if you want 1,000, you got to get 600,000 points, 500, 300,000. Don't get intimidated by that. If you hammer away every day, completing surveys, download apps, shooting YouTube videos, and sharing it through Facebook, Twitter, and email, it can be done. But you got to be on your grind every day, focused and determined to get this money. But it can be done. And it's an opportunity that's free to join. Or if you want Bitcoin as a reward, you can get $1, $3, $5, or $10 through Bitcoin. But you got to have a Coinbase account, which is free to set up. That's nothing. That's easy to do. And remember now, Bitcoin keep going up in value. If you get $10, it might be worth more later. But me personally, I like PayPal. But yeah, Future Points is an opportunity for anybody. If you're a person that's flat broke, I would get super focused and sign up and hammer away, complete surveys, download apps, and sharing it with friends every single day. But it depends on the person and it depends on how hard they willing to work. But this is an opportunity to take and run with, especially if you're a person who don't have any money, period, and you got an internet connection. And now you just don't even have to have the app no more on your tablet or smartphone. You can do it from your desktop, laptop now. So it's no excuse why you shouldn't hammer away at this thing, especially if you don't got no money now. If you're already involved in some online stuff, this is going to be just a new addition to what you are already doing. But this is one money making app that you want to be a part of, a money making opportunity. Because it's not just an app no more. You can do it from your laptop or desktop. And like I say, you can still do it from your smartphone or tablet, but now it's really no excuse now. And they still got the affiliate program going too, where you can do it from the web browser. So, speaking of money making apps, yesterday I decided on my blog that I was going to make a money making apps page. And I only got nothing on there right now but feature points. I got a lot of credible apps that I think and recommend that's going to make y'all guys some money, but I haven't added anything else yet. I just set the page up, but I'm going to frequently update this money making apps page like I do my marketing resources page. So this thing is huge. I only been doing apps like 2.5 years, but I have really started to see how big the market is getting with money making apps and how big business it is with this money making app industry. So just the app industry, period. So with that being said, definitely want to come by my blog. I'm gonna put a link to feature points and a link to my blog so y'all can check out what I got going on. Also when you get to the blog, check out all my other pages as well too. But feature points is the real deal. You can go from free to sign up to $1,000 straight to PayPal if you're willing to put in the work and distribute your link everywhere, download apps every day, and fill out surveys. But yeah, I'm gonna put a link to feature points below and a link to my blog. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you like the video, hit the like button too. So y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. But feature points is the real deal, and so is my blog. Peace out.